leaving the grocery store and getting gas in today's time, we see prices going up. Gas price going up, food price going up, inflation, cost of living, all that stuff, all the extra stuff that goes along with it, right? But a good thing is we have these different ways that you can make some extra money in order to supplement all these rising costs, all these things that's happening, the inflation, prices going up, right? So this quick video, I want to talk about some side hustles that can help to make you some money, right? And I probably mentioned some of them before in a different video, but I had to come back at it and do it again because I recognize and realize that some of these side hustles have helped me to supplement my income, have helped me to purchase the things I needed, has helped me to get out of the realm of living paycheck to paycheck. So in this video, I want to go across some of the things that I do, some of the things that I have done, and some of the things that I still do. So I want to start it off with talking about these online strategies, these online platforms. A lot of people don't like them because some of them takes a while, right? It takes a while to get it going. It's a step sometimes, but it don't take no more than what? I say about an hour. And it's all, the hour just gonna be creating your profile. Probably gotta do a little minor tests and all things like that. And what I'm talking about is doing online surveys. Online surveys, a lot of people think it's a joke, this and that, but if you have some spare time, and if your pockets, your wallets are dwindling and it's going down, and it's not keeping up with inflation and cost of living, right? Surveys are a good way to supplement your income. There's a lot of different survey sites. Don't get fallen tricked for those buffoonery ones. In fact, if you check out some of my videos, I go across some of the best survey sites that I've used, that I've been able to use and gain some kind of revenue from. Not even revenue, but earning money from. It's not revenue because I'm not really selling anything, but earning something from. And these things come in handy because what? It pays for groceries, it pays for gas, it pays for the extra bills that come up when you're not knowing. It helps you to put some money to the side. In addition to that, I've been able to use surveys and focus groups in order to reduce my debt. So I use surveys, focus groups, and also task, what is they called? Microtask. So Microtask, one of the top ones is MTurk, Amazon MTurk, Microtask. You got ClickFinder, you got ClickWork, a few of these. So you can get involved with some of those, right? And once you get the ball running, once you start to bring some extra money into your pocket, go ahead and invest yourself into your skills, right? Build up your skills. Whatever you're good at, build up your skills. Whatever you like, something that you like to do, something that you're interested in, build up your skills, right? In these things, and we're gonna go to these other platforms now, and you're gonna use these skills to either tutor people or help create a digital product. But I don't want to get too much into the digital product because that's going to be another level. But you help tutor people in these different subjects. And when I say level up your skills, because if you can get certified, get a certificate in some of these areas of your expertise, level it up, get some skill sets, you'll be able to use those on your resume. So when you get to the platform and you sign up to these platforms, you can say, well, you know, I'm certified in, I don't know, AI growth or AI technology or intro to AI, whatever like that, right? Or AI employment development, because that's another thing, right? Having AI develop employees for these companies, that's going to be another big thing we're going to discuss in another videos. These side hustles, man, I'm telling you, these side hustles help. Some of them might seem scary or too good to be true, but when you put these side hustles together and you stack them up, it'd be a good thing. Now, once you start increasing your skills, then you want to start investing. You want to start building up your asset. For me, one of my favorite things, after I did the surveys and all that stuff, and after I do the micro task and I build up some money and I got out of debt, what I did with the extra money, started investing in myself. Learning the skills. For me, it was learning the skills of marketing, and after that, I was learning the skills of trading. So I started to learn how to do trading, from crypto trading to options trading, well, from crypto trading to regular stock trading, swing trading to option trading. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, with these skill set, learn the skill set of trading, especially option trading, you'll be able to print money. You'll be able to, well, you got to know what you're doing. Risk management and all that stuff, you got to be able to do your risk management right. But you'll be able to print money. So I'm going to get some more into some of these right now. I don't have my proper gear into it, but I just wanted to get this stuff off my head, get it into a video before I forget some of this stuff. I probably got more that I didn't forget. I'm going to do some more research, jot down some more stuff that I've done in the past or I'm still doing in order to supplement my income, in order to get some extra money in my pocket, in my wallet, in the bank account, in order to pay your bills. Prices going up. I went to the gas station today. Almost $75 to fill up a four-cylinder car, right? Crazy. So we're gonna get into some more information about that. Hope y'all get some nuggets. Check out my past video. I'm gonna put a link right here. Check out my past video. It goes more into details of some of the platforms that you can sign up for, some of the platforms that you can get involved with in order to earn some extra money. Once again, it's Ansley D. Hope you got some value out of this. I'll see you next time. Peace.